is, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. How y'all doing today? Are you doing good? I am glad you are, because I am having a marvelous day. Yes, I am. And y'all, I was just sitting here thinking about some of the questions that you all pose, and one that came to my mind to go over today was a discussion on jojoba oil. Yes, that's right, jojoba oil. And the biggest question is always, certain treatments that I do, my skin is normal to dry. Can this be used on oily skin? Well, going from that to this, I just want to start breaking out some things that are great and beneficial for oily skin. So that's where we are today. And beautiful babes, before I go into today's topic, if you are new to my channel, you need to quit acting up. You done been here time and time again, and you don't know why you just want to just backdoor me and just act like you ain't even stopped by the house. And look, this time you're gonna have to bring something to the table, and that is hitting that subscribe button. Go ahead and do that for me right now. And if you're really great, really wonderful, go ahead and hit that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified each and every time I upload. And beautiful babes, let me tell you something. Look, I go hard in the paint, babies. I do my very best to spend every day I can researching and finding out some great stuff for you. So pretty much anytime you pop over here, look, it's gonna be something going on. So make sure you do. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and take the time that you possibly can. Take as much time as you possibly can to just watch some more videos after this one. And I'll definitely at the end leave you a couple of them that will be great for you. So all of that's out the way. Okay, you can go ahead and like the video right now if you want to. There you go. Let's get on to it. So today we're talking about jojoba oil. What is jojoba oil? Do you really know? Have you ever used jojoba oil? Now I have to. The odd part about this is I do a lot of shopping at Amazon. Y'all know I do, right? And I had actually put one of these in my cart, and assuming that I took the other one out because it was a little bit more. But y'all, I messed up and I ended up with two different brands. This one is Clyganic jojoba oil. Yes, this is Clyganic, and these both are 100% pure, organic, cold pressed, unrefined. The other one is by Lemon Rose. Same thing here. Okay. Now, I have two of them. My intention was to just stick with the one, which was this Clyganic, which was only $9.99. This one was $13.27. Unfortunately, and fortunately, because guess what? I left them in the cart, didn't intend to, but the fortunate part about it is I really use a lot of jojoba oil. So I needed them both, which is really great. And they do come in the amber color bottles, which really protects the jojoba oil. And they both come with droppers, like so. And jojoba oil, the pure, unrefined, organic, will have a little bit of a scent and be the brown color, but we'll go into that in just a moment. So let me just go into what is jojoba oil. After all of that, jojoba oil is extremely light. It is the perfect carrier oil for oily skin. Isn't that what you want to know? Is it good for oily skin? Yes, it is. Now, what it does, jojoba oil is known for this, and this is the coolest thing ever. It basically tricks your skin to stop the overproduction of sebum, of oils. Isn't that cool? It tricks your skin to stop the overproduction of your own oils. And it's often referred to as nature's moisturizer for its ability to mimic the skin's sebum. It is definitely great for oily skin, but it's even great for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you've got something here too. Now all it takes of the jojoba oil is about 2 to 4 drops, basically depending on the dryness of the area that you're trying to moisturize. And it can be used twice a day. That's really good, twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Now I'm going to try to keep this video short, sweet, and snappy. Let's talk about the pros of jojoba oil. Here we go. Jojoba oil has anti-fungal properties. It moisturizes as well as soothes the skin. It contains vitamin E, B complex, copper, zinc, selenium, iodine, and also chromium. And yes, it does have anti-aging properties. It quickly absorbs in the skin and it spreads and penetrates quite well. It's non-comedogenic, which simply means it will not clog your pores. Jojoba oil fights inflammation. And yes, it regulates the amount of sebum your skin produces. Now, what are the cons? You know what? It's not many. The number one con is the unpleasant nutty smell. Yes, it has a light, unusual scent to it, but nothing too overbearing. Honestly speaking, nothing too overbearing. Now you don't need much of it. It spreads really well. So be sure you don't overdo it. Don't pile it on. Just lightly put it on and it absorbs quite well into the skin. If you see that you're a glow ball, that is too much. Now with that, yeah, you could potentially clog your pores. Now not only is this a great oil for oily skin folks, for everyone, you can use this a number of ways. You can use it in your hair. That's right, in your hair. Now pardon my little teeny weeny afro today, y'all. It's just one of them days. Yes, it is. Yes, this can be used in your hair. Just simply wet your hair, massage a quarter-sized amount directly to the ends. Yes, and let it sit on for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then shampoo. And to reduce frizz in your hair, just put it on your hair, apply about 3 to 4 drops after you've shampooed and dry your hair as normal. And most importantly, for your face, just take a few drops onto a cotton ball, apply to your face and remove your makeup, dirt, and oils. Rinse with warm water and gently pat dry. For added hydration, apply several drops to clean skin and lips, and you can use this every day. Now we ain't stopping there. You can also use it for all over skin and body moisturization. Absolutely. Apply jojoba oil to your cleansed, damp skin as a moisturizer. It's super rich. It's super rich. This treatment will take care of your dry and cracked skin as well as wrinkles. And you can use this every day for all over natural glow. And finally, for additional uses, you can definitely use this as a gentle acne treatment. So the final word is you need to go out and get you some. Now I have all the links below. I got mine again at Amazon. You can go to Walmart. I'm sure they have it. Pretty much every place that you go to, pharmacists may have it also. But the best spot for me is always Amazon because I always find what I need. Don't have to run down no aisles to do that. And y'all, my final word on jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is good for oily skin, provided it is used in the right quantity. Use this oil and see how it does wonders for your skin. Before using jojoba oil, you should do a patch test on your skin to rule out any allergies. If you have sensitive skin, you shouldn't apply pure jojoba oil directly to your skin. Instead, you should mix jojoba oil with another agent like aloe vera gel or coconut oil. And do not take jojoba oil orally. It is definitely for external use only. And its shelf life usually will last around 2 years. Beautiful babes, just wanted to share with you some of my thoughts regarding jojoba oil. And for those oily complexion people, yes, it is good. You can use it. Don't overdo it. Just a few drops, work it in, and it absorbs greatly. And you'll notice a super great difference in your skin. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing it to you like no other. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all, you cannot keep this a secret, so you got to share me with your world.